Then I got me some little cinnamon raisin bagels. They lit. Got me some bread. That's Tiana's. Got me some sugar. Sugar.
Some bread. Why you close my door?
Oh my goodness. You know, stay stuck on the sauce because that's all we are. We saucy.
We
got some. You good?
Y'all, I don't know what they want to do with my shrimp.
We got some almonds, honey roasted peanuts. Yeah, dog. You don't know. We got the aki. We got the. We got the Grace chicken noodles.
Not the Grace.
The Grace.
What?
Yes.
Not they have Grace.
Oh, my dog. Grace.
Wow.
We graceful up in here.
Wow.
Yep.
Walmart
Could never. We got the Ovaltine. We got the Quakers for a little oatmeal in the morning. You know. Pasta, stay stocked. Rice. I buy rice. I had that for a minute. For a little snack, we have trail mix. Compliments. Yeah.
That's your favorite fridge.
That's all we got. You know what? Let's open the fridge now. You thought I shit. You thought it was gonna be stocked, but it is. We got milk. We got Vitamalt. We got the. Let me turn it around for you guys. Hold on. We got the Grace coconut water. We got the cinnamon rolls. We got eggs. I feel it's like egg curd. Cranberry. I'm talking to you.
I feel like at this point, everyone on your channel will know this is a custom.
I mean, I bleep what? We got the chicken stock, cranberry juice. Don't know. You know, stuff in the back.
You don't know.
Chocolate milk.
I don't know why. Every time I talk, that's what I think of.
Chocolate milk.
Yeah, you ever Nicki Minaj and Busta Rhymes?
Yeah.
You don't know. Mommy, come here. If you come
You say you?
like everything I need is boom buckle until class done. For real. Big man. Let me down. I mean, if you do, shut it down.
Something. I know you're talking about though.
You know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
Every time I hear that, that's what I think of.
As you can see, this is a get off video. For you Canadians out there, that's not something dirty. Because I can't explain this enough. When Caribbean people say get off, we just mean joking around, you know? What's another phrase? We got joking around, you know? Sharing, you know, giggles with our friends, with our buddies.